Welcome to our tutorial on how to insert cells in Excel. Inserting cells can be useful when you need to add new data without disturbing the existing layout. Let's dive in. First, open your workbook and navigate to the worksheet where you want to insert cells. Select the cell or range of cells where you want to insert new cells. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Insert Cells. Choose whether to shift the existing cells right or down to make room for the new cells. I will select Shift Cell Right. Click OK and the new cells will be inserted. Alternatively, you can use the right-click context menu. Right-click on the selected cell or range of cells. From the context menu, select Insert. Again, choose whether to shift the existing cells right or down. Here I will select Shift Cell Down, then click OK. To recap, inserting cells in Excel can be done using the ribbon or the right-click context menu. This allows you to add new data without disrupting your existing layout. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.